How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video going over the current status of the crypto market, as well as my thoughts of where I'm kind of sitting right now within the market. So first of all, going into the crypto market, you see Bitcoin at, I believe, $94,000. What does that mean? Of course, Bitcoin has taken a nice hit, has yet to fall below 90,000. I do think there is a possibility for that to happen in the near future, simply looking at the charts. However, I do not think that will happen. We've held up very, very well, and I honestly just see us holding these levels as well as potentially making a next move up. But we do have that potential to push below $90,000. Now, again, with Bitcoin dominance being in the position where it is currently, that of course could do some further damage to alts, as alts have already taken a nice hit, still at good discounts. If there's any projects you're looking to get into, not financial advice, of course, do your own research. But I definitely think that a lot of projects are discounted right now. There's a chance that Bitcoin continues to drop. But does that mean, hey, if there's an anticipation that Bitcoin drops, alts drop with it, shouldn't I sell and then enter in when that happens? No, because at the end of the day, market is so unpredictable. You really just need to sit where you are if you are into spot plays. So I'm a big spot trader. So all my bags, I simply just load up more if there's a dip. And then of course, once I hit the targets I need for my coins, that is when I sell. Now, I genuinely think into January is going to be a big month for crypto, which will kick off a nice spring rally. In my opinion, there's a lot of big catalyst events coming up, specifically with the inauguration of Trump. And of course, depending on your political views, we're completely pushing that aside. I'm strictly just talking about what he is promising for crypto. So this is nothing about why he's a good president, etc. It's just simply just what he's talking about regarding crypto, as well as the other aspects of our government. They are talking pretty highly about implementing cryptocurrency into the United States. Now, what does that mean? Well, Bitcoin Reserve has been a point of talk. Trump brought it up in that Bitcoin the Nashville convention, whatever it was. And so he brought that up, and then has since retouched on that with other members of government talking about that as well. So that is huge news. That could kick off things very, very well. I think we're going to see a rally just off of the inauguration of Trump alone. I mean, if you look specifically at what him being elected as president did, it clearly had a giant push on the markets. And I think him being inaugurated will also do the same, potentially even higher. So something to look for in the future. I think the rest of December is going to be choppy. We might see some upswings up the last week of December. Just looking at the charts again, that's from some analysts that I've heard. But honestly, we are going to have to just see. Now, another point of this video is kind of going over what I'm doing now. I myself have seen my portfolio go up and down, right? But we're still in the green. However, I just want to take the time to say, during times like this, the holidays, realistically, there's going to be less thought on the markets. You're not going to see too much price action because people genuinely just are not interested. They're not interested. They're spending time with family. Today, I spent time with family, and I think this is very important. You have to understand that crypto and everything else outside of, what really matters in life is something that just needs to be understood. So taking the time to spend with your loved ones, doing things of that nature, rather than worrying about the charts every single day, it's really going to screw you up. This is a time that I'm taking this entire week pretty much to spend with family. And then after Christmas, we'll be getting back onto the charts, getting back into crypto, etc. But this week is going to be slow, in my opinion, for crypto. I don't expect anything crazy to happen. This is just a week of Christmas. If you celebrate the holiday, I wish you a Merry Christmas. I will actually still have a video out on Christmas. Potentially, I might not. We'll see. But again, I highly just want to reiterate the importance of spending this with your loved ones or doing whatever it is that you need to do to just kind of sit back and really take a big picture of what really matters in life and relax, because this has been a hectic bull run so far. We still have a long way to go, but use this as a little break, in my opinion. And just understand that a lot more people are going to be doing the same thing. So there's not really much to worry about. We have Christmas Eve coming up Tuesday. It's coming by really quick. But again, I think this week's just going to be really slow. I mean, realistically, there's not going to be too much to update on until after Christmas, I'd say. So the Monday through Wednesday, I think, is really just going to be chill. But yeah, again, January is just going to be a big month to look out for. And then I tweeted today about Aerodrome. I still think Aerodrome's going to do fantastic this cycle. This is still a coin that I see pushing past $10. I see like bare conservative range of $5 to $10. There's a lot of people that I know who do have decent net worths who only see around a $5 arrow. And I honestly think that if we have a good base run, if we have that alt season, that we can push past that pretty easily, considering the metrics of Aerodrome, such as TBL and other things. So we've talked about that a lot though. But again, I think I gave a day or a bull range of like $15 to $35 at the peak max bullish range. There's some price prediction I see going for like $60, $100. That's like crazy. Couldn't imagine that ever doing that, because I would place it in huge price or market cap. So anyways, yeah, very bullish on Aerodrome. It continues to kill it. And realistically, once I'm out of some of these short-term plays, like I said, I'm going to have a big bag of Aerodrome and literally just sit on that project and just have peace of mind being in there. I'm not going to lie. It's not going to be bad. So it'll be fun. Really excited to see what happens here. But with all that being in mind, I will see you guys later. Hope you guys liked the video. Again, Merry Christmas.